Hi, and welcome to Nini's house. Today I'm sharing with you a family favorite recipe for Cajun garlic butter chicken and Parmesan rice. We'll start by preheating the oven to 375 and getting out our cast iron skillet. I'm using bone-in chicken thighs today. I normally would use 4 large, but this package came with 3 large and 2 small. And I'm going to season them generously with Slap Your Mama. You can use any brand of Cajun seasoning that you like. We just prefer Slap Your Mama. I like to peel back the skin of the chicken and season the flesh well, then put the skin back on and season that. You want to get that flavor all over your chicken. I have a couple of tablespoons of cooking oil heating up in this cast iron skillet. I'm going to lay my chicken skin side down. I want to get a good hard sear on that chicken skin. I'm seasoning the reverse side of the chicken now with more Slap Your Mama. Isn't that a lovely sound? Once the skin is crisped up, I'm flipping the chicken over and I'm just going to cook it for about 3 or 4 minutes on the other side and then remove it from the pan. To the hot pan, I'm adding 4 tablespoons of butter, a large heaping tablespoon of chopped garlic, and some honey. I normally just dump it in there, but I think I probably added about a quarter of a cup. Now I'm stirring that all together, making sure to scrape up all those delicious bits from the bottom of the skillet. We'll let the mixture boil for just a minute or two to thicken up before we add the chicken back in. We're going to add it skin side up so that the skin will stay crispy. Then we'll put the whole pan into our preheated oven. We won't cover it or anything, just like this, and cook it for about 20 minutes. While the chicken is cooking, I'm making some rice, to which I'm going to add about a half cup of shredded Parmesan and 1 tablespoon of this chicken broth base. I'm also slicing up some cucumbers, adding some white vinegar, salt and pepper for my husband, and just making some spears for myself. Once the chicken is done, I've tested it and it is at 170. It looks gorgeous. I've spooned some of that syrupy goodness from the bottom back over the top of the chicken. And we are serving that with our Parmesan rice and cucumbers along with some green beans. Papa has spooned a little bit more of that garlic butter sauce over his rice. And that's what's for supper. Thanks so much for watching.